Hi everyone, this is NB. In this video, we are going to learn about operators in Python. Without getting late, let's get started. This is the Python interpreter with 3.8.2 version. I will explain how to execute single line statements in this interpreter. Consider a variable A, assign with some value, say 5, and again declare a variable B and assign it with some value 1. Now start using all of the operators one by one. First A plus B. See, 5 plus 1 is 6. And next A minus B, which is 4. A into B, 5. A divided by B, which is 5. See, whenever you divide a value with another value, you always gets a float value. Let us change the value of B. 3. Now A modulus B returns 2, because whenever 5 divided by 3, the remainder is 2. That's why A modulus B is 2. Now exponential operator. A double asterisk. First find out A square, which is 25. 5 square is 25, right? A floor division by B, which is 1. As I was saying, 5 divided by 3 is remainder 2, the quotient is 1. And next, comparison operators. These comparison operators are used to compare two values to make a decision while programming. Now consider A equal to B, which is true. In mathematics generally, A equal to B means, which says that A is equals to B, whereas in programming languages, A equal to B means which is an assignment. The left side variable A is assigned with a value B. If A double equal to B, which is a comparison operator, which says that whether A equal to B or not. Here I assigned B to A, so whenever we compare A with B, you get true value. Assign a different value to B. Now execute the same command. Now you are getting false, right? Now use not equal to, which is true. A greater than B, yeah, it's false. B greater than A less than B, which is true. A less than or equal to B, which is true. A greater than or equal to B, which is false. And next we'll go with logical operators. If you are enjoying the video, a sub would be incredible. A and B, which is 6. A or B, which is 3. At present the values of A, B are 3, 6. Not operator is used if you want to change the value quite opposite to that. In general, Python considers every non-zero element as a true, every element which is 0 as false. Now you can see not of A is false, because by default it is considering A, which is 3, as true. So whenever I apply not condition, which reverses the case, so it is returning false. Suppose A equals to 0. Now again run the command not A, now which is true, because A is equal to 0. The interpreter by default takes the 0 value as false, so the opposite of false is true. That's why we are getting true.